It's just material stuff. It's just product. You know, they have insurance. They can get it back. Who cares? So just go on a shopping spree for free. What's up, you guys? Thank you for tuning in. First things first. Facebook, hit the stars. You know those little stars, those little things. It's like 1 star equals 1 penny type of thing. Hit the stars for me. It shows some support. It helps with algorithms. Also, what helps with algorithms is sharing this stuff out on Facebook, on your personal page. Also putting it into groups and other friends' pages. Share. Please hit that share button. YouTube, please. YouTube, copy the link and paste it. You can also do super chats. Same with Rumble. You can do Rumble rants. So you guys, please share this stuff out. Please get it out there. If you like what I do, you can also go to onamericanstreets.com/donate. It's another way to contribute to what I'm doing, the places I need to get to bring you guys news, truthful news, videos, footage, live streaming. I can only do this with you guys, with your guys' blessings, because I'm 100% funded by you guys. So please help me get out there. Help me bring you guys stuff that you guys need to see that mainstream media will not show you. So I appreciate it. Now, let's get into this. So, over Christmas time, the 23rd, 24th, 25th area, obviously the nation had a lot of winter storms, freezing temperatures. It was a pretty big storm that swept across the United States, right? Freezing temperature, snowfall, record snowfall amounts, frozen ponds, frozen lakes, cars falling into lakes, trees down, power outages, blizzards, and yes, a blizzard in New York, right? So they had a blizzard in New York, I think on the 24th or 25th. It must have been the 24th, because people went out and looted. Okay, so here's the thing. We thought the George Floyd riots and looting was like, oh my gosh, it's unbelievable. How could people do this? Think about this. How could people do it when it's snowy and the city's locked down and there's snowfall and businesses are closed because it's Christmas Eve and it's blizzard-like conditions? Nobody's upset. There's no injustices going on, but people are out looting, robbing, being criminals. And guess what? Defund the police. No police are around to stop it. No police can do nothing because, hey, we're going to allow the person to walk in the store and just walk out. They're not hurting nobody. It's just material stuff. It's just product. You know, they have insurance. They can get it back. Who cares? So just go on a shopping spree for free. A free shopping spree. Yes, it happened back in New York. I want to say it was Buffalo. I could be off by one of the cities or one of the bureaus, whatever it's called back there. But it was in New York. And people were out looting in the snow, robbing, breaking stuff, breaking windows, smash and grab, doing all the fun stuff that kids do. No, adults are doing it as well. Look at this, you guys. Like, seriously, crazy stuff that adults, grown folks are doing.
Wow. Drop it all, you won't go to jail. They ran around this house. They fucking booked it around here.
your face? Damn, watch your face.
What? You need no thing? Gas on everything too. Cut the gas. No, I ain't know. I got here.
That's sad. I mean, okay, so here's the thing about this. You know, I was just thinking about this while I'm watching this. I don't know if you guys have you guys ever had a car broken into or a home? Hopefully not, especially a home. Cars like myself, I've had a car broken into. When you wake up in the morning and you come out and your car's been broken into or it's gone, stolen, right? It's heartbreaking. You're like, your heart sinks. There's no fight. There's no flight. You actually freeze. Just imagine, okay, insurance or no insurance. Imagine that happening. And if you've experienced it, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Times that by going to your store that you own. Yeah, it's franchise. 7-Eleven, they're franchise. Dollar Trees, dollar stores, whatever, they're franchise, right? But it's still your business. It's still your company. You had to invest money into this in order to get it started. And you go there, or you're woke up in the middle of the night because of alarms, and you go there and you see windows smashed. You see your whole store completely thrashed. Completely thrashed. And I'm not talking about just a little car. I'm talking about aisles upon aisles, things tipped over. You know how heartbreaking that would be for someone who actually is a hard worker and takes pride. Maybe they want a clean store. Maybe they hire the best employees to pay, to come to work, to hopefully maybe give these employees benefits or health insurance or something. And your whole store is a mess and you have to clean that up and maybe even depend on other people to come in and help out. And nothing happens to these, again, criminals. It's funny that recently these videos I've been saying and putting out there have to do with criminals. Criminals. It's like the criminals are running the world nowadays and nothing's happening to them. These people who are going into these stores and looting Walmarts, aisles and aisles of stuff, I don't understand that. If you're having a free-for-all, then why do you need to make a mess of it? Just go in there. I mean, obviously nothing's happening to you guys. You're not being arrested. So why not just go in there and keep it? At least you can keep it still looking nice. You don't have to knock over the shelves. You don't have to throw everything on the floor. But for some reason, these sloppy pigs who go into these stores and do this and steal and loot have to also create a mess. I don't understand that. I don't understand nobody's there to stop you. So what's the purpose and point of creating such a mess? Go take what you need off the shelf that you can't pay for that bag of chips because they're so expensive and you need them in order to survive and live. You need that bag of chips. Just go take the bag of chips and walk out, right? But seriously, you know how much of a violation that is to someone who takes pride in their business that they own, and they have to show up and they see the destruction, broken windows, shelves all knocked down, food, candy, towels, whatever it may be, all knocked onto the floor. Again, nothing happens because, hey, we've defunded the police. We don't care about the police. The police are no good. There's no more law and order, unfortunately, really in America. It's funny because the people who need to get in trouble aren't getting in trouble, but we can always still see police stops for people who ran a red light or people who went 5 miles over the speed limit or 10 miles over the speed limit. We see people getting pulled over and stopped for this type of stuff, but nobody's getting in trouble for people going and looting stores. We don't have time to go to those things because we're busy meeting quotas by somebody running a red light on accident or someone going 5 miles over the speed limit or 10 miles over the speed limit. We have time for that. It's sad and it's unfortunate because the crime obviously is on the rise and it's spreading throughout the nation. It's not just in blue cities. It's actually spreading throughout the nation. But that happened, over Christmas. Merry Christmas to you guys. That's what we need to start doing on Christmas. Just go free fall. Just go free for all in a store. Seriously. Obviously, nobody's around, but make sure it's blizzard-like conditions. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please go to onamericanstreets.com/donate if you'd like to contribute and help out. Some places there's some things are coming up that I need to get to bring you guys some coverage and some footage. Also, please go to YouTube channel, The BC Preacher, all one word, because the old one, that is what happened. Anyway, keep Jesus first in the center of your life. God bless you guys. See you next time.